Hey, Exploring Technologies class. I have some good news for you. So I just got out of a faculty meeting, and knowing that the changes and things like that are different for you guys, they have asked us to focus mainly on the core classes. So I will not be posting any required work for Exploring Technologies. Encore teachers in general will not be. So the assignments that I gave out for this week, you can still complete them if you want to, but just know that they are not mandatory for you to do. What we want you doing during this time is focusing on your core classes. Mr. Pelkey, Miss Swisher, Miss Spencer, and Miss Adams classes, and making sure that you are getting what you need there and that you're not overwhelmed. But watch for me, because I may make an appearance in one of Miss Swisher's videos, so you never know. But I hope you guys are doing well. Feel free to reach out if you have any questions, but anything that I posted earlier for this week, like I said, we just had a faculty meeting, and that will not be required for you to turn in. So hopefully you get this message, and let me know if you need anything. Thanks.